we proudly present the solution for efficient street and yard maintenance, the Hilltip Jet-it Street Washing Unit. Powered by the Hilltip HT1240ET pressure washer, the unit can be operated with 120 bars of pressure and with an output of 40 liters per minute. This combination is built for serious performance. Control everything from inside the cabin. Thanks to the Hilltip joystick and the remote start and stop control, the equipment can be activated and operated directly from the driver's seat, saving time and boosting productivity. The 1.8 meter wide front spray bar, paired with a water tank of 500 liter and upwards, ensures long-lasting, efficient operation. The front spray bar mounts effortlessly to the same quick hitch used by Hilltip snowplows and sweepers, making seasonal transitions fast and frustration-free. The pressure washer comes equipped with a 20-meter hose reel. This allows for easy cleaning on hard-to-reach areas. From quick attachment to intuitive in-cab controls, this complete washing unit is designed for fast setup, flexible use, and total control. Hilltip, innovation for every season.